Hi, today we're going to be looking at the difference between a crown and a veneer, and it's something that puzzles my patients from when I started in dentistry to right up to today. And we'll get to the absolute truth and facts of this so that you completely understand the difference. Hi and welcome to the video about the difference between veneers and crowns. This is a little model with some preparations and various different teeth on it, and basically you would need a crown because of the fact that the tooth had become weakened by decay, or maybe you'd been unlucky enough to have a fall and fracture the tooth. But there'd be some reason why the tooth would need to be covered over by an artificial item which we call a crown. Interestingly enough, the word cap is used and that means the same thing. But the key thing about it is the fact that the cap goes right the way round the tooth. So in other words, it's a container which then fits over all of the tooth, all right, like that. And as a result, the tooth gains considerable strength. But if you were considering having this done for the reason of cosmetic improvement of your appearance, then you wouldn't necessarily want to have the whole of the tooth reduced. So what we can do is reduce just the front part of the tooth, and then the technician can make a piece which is just the front aspect of that, which then can fit over, I mean obviously this is different on this model, but it can just fit over the front part of the tooth like that, rather than having to go right the way round. So in this case there wouldn't be the reduction of the back part of the tooth, there would just be some small reduction of the front part of the tooth, and that would be better for the tooth because there would be less drilling. So the fundamental difference between a cap or crown and a veneer is the fact that a cap goes 360 degrees around the tooth, goes completely around the tooth, and the veneer goes just 180, so a half circle. Total circle, half circle. And as a result, that is less damaging for a tooth that may be being treated purely for cosmetic reasons, and this is more rebuilding for a tooth. This one contains some metal, but there are caps which are made with just porcelain, which is more structurally sound for the tooth. So more for cosmetics, more for strength. And that's fundamentally the difference between a cap and crown and a veneer. Thank you. If you're based in London or the southeast of England, then maybe you'd be interested in a complimentary visit and consultation with myself or one of my team. If you are, please click the link and we'll be very happy to welcome you to the practice.